Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Amuse haul. I'd say it's like a medium-sized haul. If you're wondering what I have going on the eyes, today I used the City Color Paradise Love Green Vibes palette. Finally, because I was really wanting to use this palette, and there it is, such a stunning eyeshadow. I might upload a picture of this look on my Instagram and might also do different kind of looks on there as well, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. A lot of fun things are coming over there. So basically we have three categories. We have repurchases, we have face products, and eye products. A lot of these products were recently added to their website, so if you want to see what I purchased from Amuse, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you can like the video if you like it. And the video is going to start right now. I've mentioned these Oki hand sanitizers a lot on my channel. I mentioned them in a couple of Amuse must-have videos. These are so good, so I did purchase 3 of them in the lemon scent. I feel like the lemon one smells really good, but also their other scents are really amazing. And yeah, they're really convenient, nice to have, especially now that I'm back at work and stuff. Really great, and I do makeup finds on my Instagram, so I do really need to have these on hand at all times. So I did purchase 3 of these. I repurchased my AOA Studio Wonder Brow in the shade dark brown. I think this shade will work a little better for my eyebrows, and there's just a look at that. It's really nice. These have such a great formula. However, my last one did dry up on me, so I just went ahead and repurchased that in a different shade. I also purchased the No Pore face primer. Finished this up, so I decided to pick it up. Why not? So this was also another repurchase. I really like this primer, and I needed another one in my life. I purchased another one of the AOA Studio Shea Butter hand creams in jasmine. Their hand creams and hand sanitizers are so good. Definitely recommend. I love that they're really small, so you can carry them in your like purse or your backpack or whatever. They're really nice, like a nice size, nice travel size, or even when you're traveling, these are so good. So I did repurchase that. And lastly, for repurchases, I purchased 2 of the AOA Studio makeup remover cleansing wipes, and I purchased 2 of them in cucumber because although these are not my favorites, they kind of suck. They tend to be dry. I don't use these on my face. I usually use them to like wipe off swatches and stuff, so that's what I wanted these for. So I'm not wasting my other ones, like the more expensive ones. Then I have these to like wipe off really quick swatches, or whenever I'm like cleaning up this area of my eye, whatever, I have that. Before we get into like the face and the eye products, I'm gonna go through jewelry. I only purchased 2 items in this order. I purchased these earrings. How cute are these? These do come in like a couple other shades, and they're really pretty. Can't wait to use these. And I've really been into like ear cuffs. Today I'm not wearing them, but they're so nice and they look so pretty on the ear. So I purchased this one. It comes with 3 ear cuffs. Again, all of these are $1, so they're still really cute styles and stuff. And again, I've really been into them, and I feel like they just add something extra to your jewelry game, so I purchased those. Now we're talking about face. I have a couple of their new items that they just added. First off is this aloe face primer. It says it's smoothing and mattifying, which is great, and there's a look at that. This did retail for $155. So that is how that primer looks. I'm so excited. I couldn't wait to get these in because they just look so cool. And I remember, who was it? Oh, I think it's Elf Cosmetics that has like a primer that looks like this. It comes in like a stick form, and it says prep and smooth skin primer, apply stick all over the T-zone. Okay, sounds pretty self-explanatory. It does come with a little plastic cover. So there's a look at that product. Really interesting. Honestly, it looks really cool, so I can't wait to use this. It doesn't have any type of smell to it either, so this looks really cool. We're definitely going to do another full face of Amuse makeup and stuff, so you guys could see this in action. Next we have this one, which is a squaline balm, and this is instant hydration for face and body, also retailing for $155. So there's a look at that primer. This one honestly looks really cool as well. Instant hydration to face and body. Okay, so it's basically for dry skin. So there's a look at that product. Also looks really cool. Can't wait to use this. And lastly, from this line, I purchased the sunflower oil cleanser. I can't wait to try this. I've really been getting into my skincare, as you guys know, so I've been trying out different cleansers. Not sure if I'm gonna love this format though. It's like a stick form, but we'll see. It says removes makeup and to replenish skin. So there's a look at this one, and yep, so it has sunflower seed oil based makeup remover. So all you do is generously apply directly to dry face, gently massage your face without tugging. Rinse immediately or allow the oil to penetrate for 1 to 5 minutes, then rinse with warm water. And there's a look at the cleanser. Also looks really cool. Can't wait to use this one. Let me know if you've used any of these stick products, because they honestly all look really cool, and I really can't wait to try these out on the face. So I did purchase a couple of their new blushes on their website. They do have this one from BR, and it comes with this stunning packaging. It's like a heart kind of design. These do come in different like shade variations and stuff. I kind of don't want to mess up the pan by swatching it, but we are going to use this in a new makeup video soon. Next we have these two from Starry Cosmetics, and they are some blush palettes. Cannot wait to get into these. Those are the shades in this palette. They are so pretty. Really can't wait to use these. I love blush, and it's so cool that it comes in a little palette form. And there's a look at number 1. Again, comes with more orangey kind of tones. Really beautiful. Can't wait to try these out. Next I have 3 of the BR Pearl Glow. These are blushes. Some of them are bronzers, but basically you get a bunch of beads or like little balls of pigment, and you swirl your brush in there and you apply it to the face. So these I can't wait to use. Now I don't have the names on me, but I did get this like burgundy kind of tone. Then I purchased this one, which is more, I guess, pinky. They all kind of look similar, right? But when you compare them, this one definitely looks more of a berry tone, and this one kind of an everyday kind of tone. And then I have one more, which I believe is a bronzer, and that's a look at that, or maybe it's a highlight. We're gonna try it out again. We're gonna try all of these on the face, but these are really interesting. I believe Elf Cosmetics or someone, and one of them fell out, has a product that's kind of similar to this. I think they did come out with a product like this. So we're gonna try these out and see what's going on. Let me give them a little. All right, yeah, I think that's a highlight. Let's see, we're gonna try it out, but now I've made a mess. It's a little messy, but really intriguing. Definitely had to pick these up. And I did want to mention they all come with this little brush, which I'm never gonna use. I'm probably gonna toss because I already know myself, but they do come with a little brush in case you were wondering. And lastly, we are tackling eyes. So I did purchase more of their loose pigments. These are so nice. I've really been enjoying these products. I have the one in Crystal Ball, which is a purpley kind of tone, and then we have this one in the shade Magic. Both of them look so stunning, especially this one has like a beautiful kind of pearlescence to it. It's so nice, so I can't wait to use these. And if you didn't know, my favorite color is purple, so I had to pick this one up. I bought a couple palettes. We have this mini eyeshadow palette from Amuse Cosmetics, and it's a trio. Basically comes with 3 shades. So beautiful. They have a couple other like color stories and stuff, so I can't wait to try this one out. It's so cute, and oh my god, like so perfect for travel. It's so tiny. Next we have this one. I think they're all from Amuse Cosmetics. This is their Metal Eyes eyeshadow palette. Also, they added a bunch of other color stories and stuff, but this one intrigued me. This one here is in 24K gold. Really beautiful tones. Can't wait to try this out. Yep, they're all from Amuse. I got 2 other little palettes from Amuse Cosmetics. We have a more greeny toned one and a pinky toned one. I believe these came in like 3 color stories. The first one here, they don't really have any like names to them. There's a look at the greeny kind of palette. It does come with a couple blue tones, a couple brown tones as well. This one is so pretty. And then we have the more pinky palette. So beautiful. Can't wait to use both of these. And if you're wondering, these do come off, so it's really cool, really convenient, I guess. You know, I didn't want it to be all reflective on the camera, but yeah, the little cover does come off. And lastly, they added a couple of these smaller palettes. These come with 6 shades. It does come with a mirror, and those are the shades that we have, more greeny kind of tones. Definitely can't wait to use this palette here. And that's actually the last product. We made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about and the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from jokes to the high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.